Hello dear students, we are dealing with the second chapter, the Tiger King. So far we learned that the Tiger King killed the first tiger and he was quite thrilled and showed the carcass of the tiger to the astrologer. But the astrologer told him that he could kill 99 tigers without any problem or without any hurdle, but the 100th tiger would create problem for the king. Let us continue the story. What if the 100th tiger were also killed? Now the king asked the astrologer what would happen if he killed the 100th tiger. Then I will tear up all my books on astrology, set fire to them, and I shall cut off my tuft, crop my hair short, and become an insurance agent. The astrologer finished on an incoherent note. Incoherent means confused, unclear. Okay. Then the astrologer replied that if it would happen, then he would tear up all his books on astrology and set them on fire. Okay. And he would cut off his tuft. Tuft means a bunch of hair. And crop his hair short. And would change his profession from an astrologer to an insurance agent. The astrologer finished on an incoherent note, although the astrologer did not tell anything clearly. From the day onwards, it was celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting Pratibandhapuram. The state banned tiger hunting by anyone except the Maharaja. A proclamation was issued to the effect that if anyone dared to fling so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. From that day, the tigers in Pratibandhapuram had a nice time, as the kingdom banned tiger hunting by anyone except Maharaja. तब से प्रतिबंधपुरम के जो टाइगर्स थे उनको मारने का अधिकार सिर्फ किसे था? महाराजा को. औरों के लिए जो ये था टाइगर हंटिंग, ये बैंड हो गई थी. ओके. The state banned tiger hunting by anyone except the Maharaja. A proclamation was issued to the effect that if anyone dared to fling so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. Confiscated means taken with authority, means जब्त कर लेना. Okay. FLING, fling means throw, फेंकना. Okay. मारना. A proclamation was issued to the effect that if anyone dared to fling so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated. एक public announcement हुई. Proclamation means public announcement और official announcement कि अगर किसी ने किसी भी टाइगर पे एक पत्थर भी मारा, एक पत्थर भी एक टाइगर की तरफ फेंका, तो उसकी सारी प्रॉपर्टी और वेल्थ confiscate कर लिया जाएगा, उसे जब्त कर लिया जाएगा. The Maharaja vowed he would attend to all other matters only after killing the 100 tigers. Initially, the king seemed well set to realize his ambition. Vowed means took oath. Okay, शपथ ली महाराजा ने that he would attend to all other matters of the kingdom only after killing the 100 tigers. Okay. जो महाराजा है उन्होंने क्या शपथ ली, क्या ओथ ली कि राज्य के सारे और काम वो 100 टाइगर्स को मारने के बाद ही अटेंड करेंगे. Initially the king seemed well set to realize his ambition, and in the beginning it seems that the king would achieve his target very fast. शुरुआत में ऐसा लगा था जो किंग था उन्हें अपना लक्ष्य बहुत जल्दी मिल जाएगा. What was the target of Maharaja? He wanted to kill 100 tigers. His target was to kill 100 tigers. Okay. Not that he faced no dangers. There were times when the bullet missed its mark, the tiger leaped upon him, and he fought the beast with his bare hands. Each time it was the Maharaja who won. When the king went on the hunting expedition, he faced danger many times. हंटिंग एक्सपेडिशन के दौरान राजा ने बहुत बार डेंजर भी फेस किया. एट टाइम्स हिज बुलेट मिस्ड इट्स टारगेट. कभी उनकी बुलेट से निशाना चूक जाता. द टाइगर लीप्ड अपॉन हिम एंड द टाइगर जम्प्ड अपॉन हिम एंड ही फॉट द बीस्ट विद हिज बेयर हैंड्स. बेयर हैंड मीन्स अनआर्म्ड हैंड्स. ओके. the king would fight with the tigers barehanded. Each time it was the Maharaja who won, but each time the Maharaja won and killed the tiger. हर समय जो महाराजा थे वही विजयी हुए और उन्होंने टाइगर्स को मार गिराया.